In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile payroll clearing in QuickBooks. Reconciling your payroll clearing account ensures that the temporary amounts you post for payroll run exactly match what actually clears through your bank or payroll service. When this account is clean, it zeroes out after each cycle, and you can trust your payroll reports. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online. Look to the upper right corner of your dashboard and click the gear icon. In the menu that opens, under the Tools column, choose Reconcile. QuickBooks will ask which account you want to reconcile. Open the drop-down and select your payroll clearing account. If you see an option to resume reconciling, click that to pick up where you left off. Next, enter the statement details. Type in the ending balance and the ending date that correspond to the period you're reconciling. For a payroll clearing account, these numbers often come from your payroll provider's summary or from your bank statement covering the payroll withdrawals for that period. If a finance charge applies, enter it here. Most of the time for a clearing account, this is 0, so leave it blank unless you know a charge occurred. Click Start Reconciling. You'll land on the reconciliation screen with a list of transactions. Now match transactions. Check off every payroll-related entry that appears on your statement or payroll report. Things like net pay withdrawals, tax payments, and payroll journal entries that offset the clearing account. Sorting by date and amount can speed this up. If the difference at the top doesn't come to 0, review the beginning balance, look for missing entries that haven't been recorded yet, or uncheck duplicates that may have been imported twice. Small timing differences can happen. The goal is to make sure the activity you actually see in your records matches what cleared. When you're satisfied, finish and adjust. Click Finish now, even if a small difference remains. QuickBooks will prompt you to create an adjustment so your books align with what cleared. Keep adjustments minimal and add a clear memo so you can research and clean up the root cause later. As a best practice, compare the total payroll for the period to the sum of items you checked, and confirm the clearing account nets to 0 for that pay run. Keep copies of your payroll summaries and note any unusual items so future reconciliations stay quick. That's it. By following these steps each pay cycle, your payroll clearing account will stay tidy, your bank activity will line up with your books, and payroll reporting